Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to double underline the text or word on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. To make the double underline on your Google Docs PC, how to make double underline? You just go to the insert option here, then go to the equation, just insert and click on the equation. Now you just want to type as slash and underline. So just type as slash and underline. I just going to increase the font size because you just want to know how the equation is. So I just increasing the font size. Then I just going to go to the insert option, go to the equation, just type as slash underline. So after clicking, just type the space bar one time. Click the space bar one time. Space bar. Just click the space bar. Then again, if you want a single line, you just want to make a slash underline. If you want a double line, just create that equation again, just slash underline. If you on space, so if you can now see it has two lines. If you want three lines, the same command slash underline, just type a slash underline and click on the space bar, automatically it will become a three line. So how many lines that you want, you just make a equation like this and make a two line or three line or four line, whatever that you want. You can make easily double underline or single underline using this particular equation. Go to the insert option, then go to the equation, then click on the slash underline space slash underline space bar. Click on the space bar. That's it. So this will make a double underlined word or sentence or paragraph that you want. Try this on the Google Docs now. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.